Okay, let's try to forget. Hey, yo, what happened? Yo, what? Let's just do it. And there we go. Yo, I could literally cry for like half an hour before the whole store closes, and I was like, nah, I'm gonna get my MacBook. Bought it like a few hours ago, and they're like, yeah, you can come pick it up now, and I'm like, period, let me go get it now. I'm gonna get something to eat. If anything's open, I'm walking so damn fast. Hey guys, I got my baby. I got my baby. This is the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Okay, so Coco. He's trying to bite the box. Coco. Oh my god, that was so exciting. Look at her. Okay, so.
Press the return key.
Why is she speaking to me? Girl.
Press the escape key.
Hold on. Oh my god, the screen is so wide. Okay, hold on. I need to get my other laptop. So this is my brother's laptop that I was using before, and it has all the stuff. So I'm trying to connect it to here. It's such a huge difference. So this is the 16-inch, this is 15. The screen size is way different. This is way bigger. It's fantastic. This is what I wanted it for. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Yo, come on girl. Oh, and I can pay with that too. Hot. Apple Pay $326. Stop that. We're gonna do auto. I feel like a lot of people, every time I see people talk about this, they're like, oh, leg dart. I always do auto. It kind of matches like the theme of everything. In my notes, I have like a couple of things that I wanted to do. I'm gonna go ahead and download that. Download. I want to hear how the speakers sound. So we're gonna go ahead and play what I've been obsessed with, which is Inside by Bo Burnham. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god. That's actually so good. I love that. That's amazing. Okay. Oh wait, what the hell? I downloaded the wrong one. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up off camera, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys what I did, what I added, and XYZ. It's just kind of hard to do all this, and I don't really know how to move around the laptop, so and I'll come back and show you guys. Hey guys, so I am back like a month later. I bought my laptop June 10th, which was my mom's birthday. We are back on July 30th. So I'm just here to show you guys what I did with my laptop, what I bought for it, and blah blah blah. So I guess we'll start with the accessories that I bought with it. So first I bought this adapter, this USB hub. It has 2 USB ports, an SD card reader, and a TF card reader. I don't know what that is. So it's a USB-C, so it goes back into the computer. Next one, I bought this portable hard drive. It is 1 terabyte. I am looking to upgrade to a 2 terabyte though, just because I want for a longer term, and I'm already halfway finished this. $74 for this tiny little thing, but it's a godsend. I love it so much. And that's all the accessories. I did buy a hard case for it, but it just didn't fit the screen, and it also didn't show the Apple logo, and I'm like, babes, I spent $3,000 on this brand. I want the Apple logo to show. So on to my laptop. I have this background for my laptop. I make a new background every year. This is my dream board, and I have completed almost everything. So down here on the dock, when you first get your MacBook, it has all this random stuff on here. I can't even tell you what's on there anymore because I took it out, but I do just have the basics that I use all the time or what I might use. So I have the Finder, obviously, system preferences, Launchpad, messages, photos, FaceTime, calendar, contacts, blah, 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 blah. 3 things that I add to this dock is Spotify, Photoshop, and Final Cut Pro because I use those the most. Let us open Safari. Get to Safari, they can customize the photo that's on Safari when you first open it up. So I have it as this cute little graphic of all my favorites, which is the basic stuff: Apple, iCloud, YouTube, Google Docs. Don't really know why that's up there. Actually, I should probably take that off. I don't use Google Docs like that. I have Google, and I have YouTube to MP3. That's what I use to get all of the music for my YouTube videos. So then we're gonna go to our Launchpad. So this is just what comes regularly with your Launchpad. It has the App Store, blah, blah, blah. The only thing that I've added to this page is the Spotify and Google Chrome. And on the other side, this is where I've downloaded like all my other stuff. So we have Honey, Zoom, the folder that I have for games is Origin and Steam. I should probably add Sims 3 in there. Don't know why it's not in there. But then I have Kika, which I use to extract folders. So if it's in a zip file, I use Kika to extract it. I have OneDrive on here, then I have YouTube, which I'm going to put Final Cut Pro in there. Then I have productivity. And when I bought my laptop, I also bought a few days later education bundle, which comes with the Final Cut Pro, and Final Cut Pro by itself is $400. In the education bundle, you get 5 like applications for $250. It came with Final Cut Pro, Motion Compressor, Logic Pro, and Mainstage. Do I know what Motion Compressor, Logic Pro, and Mainstage do? No. Am I gonna learn? Yes. AdGuard for Safari. AdGuard is like AdBlock, but I don't think they have AdBlock for Safari, so I guess I use that. I don't know. Then we have the Sims 3. Sims 3 is fantastic. On my MacBook, it does crash. I think I did something to it. I think I added like too many mods or something, and it crashes all the time now, sadly. So on my screen, on my desktop, we have the folders that I have are other Sims mods. That's for the Sims, obviously. And then I have these cute little like graphics that I have for the folders. It's so cute. So I have one that's for work, and I have just the one that says desktop. Then there's church, because I used to have like a lot of stuff for church. And then there's school. So this is all my school stuff. If you guys want to see the little cute little things I did for school. Yeah, I did this flyer for school. Very nice. Then we have edits, which I don't really know what I put in here. Like, it's just edits of photos that I do for Instagram that's on there. We have thumbnails, and we have YouTube things, which thumbnails is for YouTube, and then YouTube things is like videos that I have for YouTube. I didn't want to put them in the same. You know what? It's just a huge mess, but it's a pretty mess, so that's all I care about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And put on post notifications because you know you want to see me next week. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes when